Welcome to J Engineers, manufacturer and exporter of industrial jaws, CNC tools, and precision engineered components. The company was established in 2005 at Ahmedabad. We are certified by NABL quality standards, and we cater to Indian subcontinent and East Asia. International quality standards, easy payment, and shipment modes make us stand apart from all brands. We offer a wide assortment of steel pipe, soft, and hard jaws. Our steel pipe, soft, and hard jaws are widely acclaimed in the market. We offer jaws TNUS and aluminum chuck jaws that are available at industry-leading prices. CNC tools, tongue, and groove ply jaws offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Our precision-engineered components and CNC power chucks for automotive industry are extremely reliable. We also provide pipe jaws for automotive industry and soft jaws for electronic use that are a class apart. For more information, log on at www.jjawsindia.com.